Hey guys, it's me again with another hair video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this Brazilian lace wig bob from Cranberry Hair. You can check out more of what they have on Instagram and Facebook. So behind this box, there's like maintenance tips, and I actually washed, straightened, and I did quite a lot to the hair. You will see that in the video, and I followed these maintenance tips. Please make sure you follow them so that your hair can last longer. I actually chose this blonde hair, guys, because I love color, and I think it's actually safer to buy colored hair than bleaching it yourself, because sometimes you don't always get the color you want. So to save yourself the stress of bleaching, buy hair that is already colored. This is how the hair looks on the inside, and I actually like the fact that I don't have to bleach the knots, and I actually reduced the lights so that you can see the original color of the hair. So this is how the hair looks on me. I didn't like the meat part, and also I didn't really like the shape, so I actually washed the hair to give it some volume and give it the shape that I want. I like the fact that it's very accurate on the hair, on the head. I mean, I don't have to cut excess hair. To wash the hair, I used Vida is Life shampoo for blonde hair. This shampoo doesn't really change the color of the hair, it just revives like the color of the hair and also protect the color, because every time you wash hair it loses color. So this shampoo just protects that color. You can actually check them out on Instagram, and they are available from Clicks. And if you want a detailed video on how to wash hair, I do have like 2 videos on how to wash hair. I will just link them at the end of this video. After washing the hair, I just rinsed it and I just let it air dry. And don't let your hair get sunburned, just let it air dry in an area that doesn't get sun, or you can leave it in the house overnight, it will dry. And this is how the hair looks after wash. I like the fact that it's a little bit soft, moistured, and it is a bit voluminous, like it's different from how it came. And the word voluminous is not the correct word to use for hair, but it sounds correct, so I'll stick to it. So I'm using this serum from Vida is Life. It's also a nice serum for hair, and I'm just using it to protect the hair from heat and dryness. I'm sure you guys know that when you straighten a bob, you must straighten it in sections because it's not the same size all around the head. And even for long hair, I always like straighten it in sections, so I just created a section. And I'm using this new straightener I got from Clicks. As you can see, it has like side plates. I like that. That's the reason why I got it. It has side plates that will assist with like curling the hair at the bottom. So if you like it, actually you should get it. There's no need to like it. It's a very nice straightener. The heat is amazing, and it's currently on sale at Clicks, so just go there now before they take it back to the normal price. And I straightened the hair by sections all the way to the top. When I got to the top, I actually opened a side part and I actually poured some water just to not really define, but just to make sure that it's there. You know, I'm just gonna use a mousse to define the part. So yeah, this water thingy really works. You must try it when you are trying to create a part. So this is the installing part, the most interesting part. This is the part that makes your hair. If you ruin it, then your hair will be ruined. I'm kidding, guys, but this is the part that makes your hair, guys. And as you know, I use the mousse for my frontals just to give my lace color that matches to my skin color so that it looks natural. So you just apply it all around the lace like that, even towards the edges. As you can see, it looks a bit natural. You see some brownish there, brownish roots. Yeah, and I'm also gonna use it to define that side part. I wear my frontals with glue, guys, because I just like how they like stick to the skin. Like, I wear my frontals with glue, and at this point I like it. And yeah, I went with like the white gel from Got to Be, and then I also went in with the spray. As you know, I apply the sprays in sections. I start with the middle section and then go to the sides. So this is what I did. Also, this is like a new method that I'm trying out, like gluing down the frontal before cutting out the lace, and I must say it's actually nice. It actually makes the lace more natural. You will see when I cut the lace, it looks a little bit nice. It's nicer than when you cut the lace first and then glue what is left. So this is the part where I cut off the lace. The lighting looks nice. I think it looks nice for my skin color. I don't know why my light like messes with me so much, guys. I need to learn how to control lights. And I start in the middle section. and cut it off like that, and then go to the sides. As you can see, it looks natural already, guys. Like, I'm gonna go in again and cut what is left, like just to define. Like, you must cut it, define it so that it matches your skin color. So after cutting off the lace, you must clean up the front part, guys, because there's always like excess glue. So if you apply makeup on top of that excess glue, it will look like a white layer and it really looks ugly. You don't want that. So I used my micellar water to clean up the excess glue. So I paused the video and beaded my face because this hair really needed some face bead so that it can pop. So I'm using my Tresemme mousse just to make the hair flat in front and maybe cover a bit with like small baby hairs, like just to cover the line in front. It's not really visible, but I can see my hair. I have hair in my forehead, but I can see it, so I'm just gonna use the Tresemme mousse to cover up the hair. I absolutely love this hair, guys. This is my final look and I honestly love the hair. Do check out my Instagram on how I rock up this hair, and don't forget to check out at Cranberry Hair. I will also link the website on my description. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in my next upload.